We're going to learn how to set up a class in Google Classroom today, and we're going to start from very scratch as if you've never signed into your Google account before. So we're going to go out to a screen share, and I have some of this on a presentation for you, and then we'll go on into it. First off, you will need to open up a login screen using this URL. You can't just go to any Google login. You need to go to this particular Google login and sign in. So the first thing to do is to use this URL to sign in. Then you want to type in your username. Teacher username will be the same thing that you log in with Novell. For instance, mine is Nikki dot, notice I have a period right there, Robertson at lcsk12.org. Okay, so this would be what I would type in. So if your name was John Doe, you type in john.doe at lcsk12.org. All right, and then the default password is at G, capital G, lowercase o, capital D, capital L, capital M, and an exclamation point. Once you've typed all that in, you'll click on Sign In. You should be taken to this page. You'll click I accept, continue to my account, and that will take you in here where you need to change your password so that everyone does not have the same password. I recommend you change this password to the same password you use for all of your other school accounts to make it easier to remember. Next, this window will pop up. Click No Thanks, do not download Drive. Drive, if you download that, will constantly send a signal back and forth to the internet, which will suck up our bandwidth and make everyone's internet run slow. Next, you will arrive at a page. It doesn't matter if it's Drive or Mail or wherever it takes you. You should be able to see in the top right-hand corner your name and these little dots. So once you click on the little dots, it will open up a menu. And then you're going to click on More. When you click on More, it's going to take you to Google Classroom. And that's what I want you to click on, is that Google Classroom. When you click on that, if this is your very first time ever entering Google Classroom, you should see your name right here. And since you're the teacher, you want to click on the Teacher button. Now, we're going to exit out of this, and I'm going to get into my account. So once you have signed in, this is what you'll see. Actually, yours will be completely blank. I've already made some classes, but yours will be completely blank. So let's look at how you would make a class. So to make your first class, you're simply going to go up here to the right-hand corner next to your name and click on the plus button, and you're going to say Create Class. So you might say John Doe English class. You might have a completely different first period English class than, say, seventh period. So it might be your first period, third period, and fourth period are all the same thing. You teach the same exact thing to all of these classes. And let's just make this consistent. Of course, you can make them all completely separate if you want. And so now we're going to click on Create. All right, so now you are in, and this is the class code that you will give to your students. How to get the students to this point is in our other video, so please make sure to take a look at that. But that is how you get in and find your class code and set up a class. Our next video will show how to make announcements and share assignments with students. All right, and we need to end the screen share. If I can find where it is. There it is. We'll end the screen share, and our next video will show you how to add assignments to your new Google class. Thank you.